English dish.
Yeah, like this one. Then we.
Javi, are you sleepy?
Yeah.
Hurry, they're trying to tell us something.
Javi.
Beach ball. Beach ball.
Javi, you want to go to sleep? Oh, well, do you want to sleep or eat?
Over there.
There's nothing here. They're imagining things.
It wasn't.
Oh, wait, there is a tree. What's that? I don't know.
Javi.
Oh man.
Javi. Okay, here. I thought you're sleepy.
That's too fast.
I thought you're... Are you hungry or sleepy? Here. There you go.
That's too slow.
I think he's both hungry and sleepy.
Come in. Is it just me or is it hot here?
Oh, it's hot. Papa didn't say the beach would be this hot.
Well, it's dry. I've got sand in my shoes.
Me too.
There's only one thing to do.
Take them off?
Yep.
Okay.